Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia. You're hearing from the spokesman of the Amazonia Police, Colonel Arthur John. This evening, na evening for Germany. Where he talk now, so now time na 8:43 for Dorset of Germany. I just come back from Bambi. I want check on Facebook. I see which way AGC don't frame and now so start to do attack them with them. Because AGC don't say Honorable Colonel Arthur John now the right person for answer them with their scamming. And with how Colonel Arthur John take them to vagash AGC scammers them, it make AGC they be unable to get money from any person for any position. Now, AGC now don't fabricate story, create fake Facebook profile. Where una see so they create fake Facebook profile with the name of Colonel Arthur John, and based on this fact, say AGC don't create fake Facebook profile for the name for Colonel Arthur John. Now, Colonel Arthur John no go see the make posts again. Flyer for post them anyhow. Any real information with Colonel Arthur John and Amazonia Police, then they get up to talk. My beloved brothers and sisters, I go come now live. I go talk am. Una know my voice. Una know my voice. So una see any information in the poster online for my name, no believe am. AGC don't create the fake information. Man look up for my other phone. I show now. They create the fake information. Say that Colonel Arthur John, he don't make the fake information. They post and say Colonel Arthur John the attack IG. Say Colonel Arthur John the attack Chris Anus. But that is a lie. This is a lie. This thing now AGC, Ayaba. IPA agents them, Yamafoka, Dala, Doromega, all them. Now then they create all the fake information. Oh, now the see also. Now the see the thing there no. Now Dala, Yamafoka. Christian Guanzi for way they collect 20,000 the report Amazonians them. For la Republic police them for 3 corner Bambly. Now them. Now them they don't fabricate all the lies. These lies them. For begin the attack Colonel Arthur John Utam say Colonel Arthur John post fake information about Chris Anus. No, I don't post no fake information about Chris Anus. My brother, my sister them. Una believe nothing coming out from AGC. AGC na scammers them. AGC they try now to use Colonel Arthur John in name for damaging reputation so that Amazonians them for good faith they no could believe for Colonel Arthur John wait where they talk about their scamming strategies. All thing what they talk about una since last week, Thursday up to present date about AGC not true. If it was not true, AGC no go wake up in the great fake Facebook profile for my name per attack Colonel Arthur John Utam. So now because I don't give them the read those. They read those where they call us a true queen. True queen those. Now you are don't give up their head. So no man they give any shishi. No man they donate any money for inside AGC. No person they donate money for AGC again. So now they think that we don't make an AGC now one use now my name again for attack Chris Anus Utam. No believe anything from AGC. Me, Colonel Arthur John, I know they for US. Una take note for the phone number. I didn't have Germany. My phone number now +49. Now +49. No be now 001. So una take note for this number. This phone number where AGC the user so. Una look very well for the image for above. Una go see ETAS number for the ETAS or Canada number. Where they use them, but they put the sabotage Colonel Arthur John in name. They create all these things. So if Guna ever talks to Colonel Arthur John is nobody. If Colonel Arthur John was nobody, why is AGC doing all this? AGC don't deface Ndakoko, hot pepper. No money in the entire agency because Colonel Atta-John they expose them for Amazonians them. All their scamming strategies, all their black minds them, all evil about agency. I expose them. No one will stop the Amazonia police from exposing agency scams and strategies. My beloved brothers and sisters, fund my trip to Buea. Fund other groups that are fighting for the revolution for real. Do not give any shishi, 1 cent dollars or 1 cent pounds or 1 cent euros. No give nothing for Ayaba. No give anything for Ayaba. Ayaba na devil. Ayaba come for revolution for thief and destroy. Ayaba na Satan. Why they talk so una like and people they get those that have ears, let them hear. Ayaba na thief man. Na Ayaba Isen Yama Foka Dala Don Omega Christian Guanti for John Motete. Now he send them they go create the fake Facebook profile. Begin the sabotage Colonel Atta-John in Nemuta. If any person see any fake information about Colonel Atta-John, contact Colonel Atta-John for inbox. Ask me, I could clarify you. So I never post any ransacked things. I never attack Chris Anus. I never attack IG. If I want to do anything for Chris Anus or IG, I come live and talk. If Chris Anus go wrong, I could come live talk. All man know my voice for the revolution. They know my voice. So anything on a receiver for WhatsApp group or anything send a Colonel Atta-John, don't post up. Na lie. No believer. Anything I want poster, I could poster in the right way. I myself, I could do them in a way where all Amazonia they go believe. I could come live first talk before I post them. Now wait till I could do them. So any fake about Colonel Atta-John's name, do not believe it. Do not believe it. Before I go back again for AGC, my brother, my sisters, them. Una don't see as a United Nations don't team up. Yalla Republic the Born House them no. United Nations don't team up. Yalla Republic the Born House them. Una see that blue cap no. United Nations owe we an explanation. A United Nations no give we an explanation. Come then come son we have a born all United Nations office the way they for land. If them from full they no give you explanation. As from now henceforth, all we will tweet. We write message on Facebook, email for United Nations. They give you explanation. Why is it that United Nations troops the Born House they inside Amazonia? If they don't give you explanation, we vagash all United Nations office them for inside land. That is it. They get one office for Komisha Avenue. They get one office for Vincent Mukong Street. They get one office, so small office in Lime. They get some small office in Fantasy Junction for the enter vigilant. For that side for lock base in the house. All those places there. Colonel Atta-John don't read dictator. We give a vagash all. If United Nations not give me explanation, why they give a burn houses them? Why should they blue cap be burning houses? We petrol burning houses. So we give a vagash them. Now wait till I talk up. Because they say United Nations don't team up here La Republic will fight we. They small. Because if they try another style, United Nations will bring an end of United Nations. United Nations give respect the principles and law for Amazonia. Why should the blue cap be burning our homes, our shops? This should stop with immediate effect. Monster Pobia, Padi Asanga, Yvonne Joker, Ben Aki, Philemon Yang, Ekema Patrick. We never try we put them with 6 feet. We never try all way, the all strategies. Put these black legs them for 6 feet. Because they don't deserve the live for land. They don't deserve, they are not Amazonians. They are not. If you need Dakoko, Yvonne Joker, Iden Avodwala, if you need Dakoko for put up a skin me naked, his skin for road, blow and be body, contact Colonel Atta-John and give you Dakoko. You vagash you Avodwala problem no dey. I no dey look my face or any black leg na black leg. Black leg na black leg. Devil na devil. So any man wey the tribe derail revolution, where the show pompous himself, we give a Vagashi. Yvonne Joker, you are one. You are one. And also you did listen me. Now why do I call your name? You are one. If you trap in this shit again, you go pick ball run. Because Colonel Atajon and Amazonians, we have reason. We are determined than ever. Amazonia must be free. Come rain, come sun. This is the reason we must revenge. All the burning, the death, Macho BBC, Senator Penterence, Fongala, President Ayuk Siko, all their suffering, we will not let it go for free. Any person where the trap our revolution, he can understand where to feed one. I come live mainly this evening that just to talk about AGC because their strategies where they use fake profiles, they attack people the whole time. It is becoming something different. Small time they go make fake Facebook profile like Chris Anus, say revolution for La Republique. So be aware of that. Yamafoka, now one of the fake. When I comment for the unasi the Yamafoka na Abu Free. Now so right now so he look in for US. He look in for US. Now US, he don't just indicate for my phone. Say now US, we log in. So when I say Yamafoka they so now very evil and demonic people them. Dala, Doromega, all them, na Satan them. All the people they na Satan them. All of them. All of them. All of them. So basically, I don't care where to wanna talk am. So Amazonians, we have reason. The time is now. We are going to deal with La Republique. We are not going to. Our main enemy is La Republique. But La Republique agents inside Amazonians, they are also our enemies because they are more dangerous than La Republique. So now wait till I want to talk am. Like Ayaba is dangerous. Yamafoka, dangerous. Ship broker, Pandips, dangerous. Monfsive, dangerous. Ayaba, monster, dangerous. All of them, they are very evil and demonic. Fellow Amazonians, come rain, come sun, Amazonia must be free. We will not lead Ayaba and his stupid group to try to derail our revolution. The time is now. The time is now. Do not lead Ayaba, the thief, the monster, the friend, the Ayaba. I don't tell una yesterday. Ayaba, the friend where he person where the stay for Ayaba house. Nikenji. Njike. Where the stay for inside Ayaba house, no way. His best friend na Pati Asanga. They go collect bribe for inside La Republique Embassy for Benin. Now wait till that way they do one. So now the thing where they talk am. I Colonel Atajon, don't call all Amazonians. Be wise. Be wise. Be very, very wise, fellow Amazonians. Do not lead La Republique to derail our revolution. The time is now. Let's fight for our revolution. Now, fight. Use all strategies. Even our principals, put up 6 feet. Teachers, put up 6 feet. Any black leg, put up 6 feet. The next black leg, where I, Colonel Atajon, don't only say me all Amazonians, they will attack him. Mu attack him. Now Christian Gua D4. Christian Gua D4. Yvonne, Joker. That 2 black legs them. We gave a more deal with them. We must deal with those 2 black legs. Christian Gua D4. Devo Bambili. Yvonne Joker. Idevo Douala. We gave a vagash them. We gave a vagash them because na black leg them. We must vagash them. Any black leg is an enemy. No looky face. Una see where Colonel Atajon wa talk so he need to look my face. If na IG do wrong at the talk and need to look IG their face. So na the thing that we give to am. Yvonne Joker we give up tap 6 feet. Christian Guanzi for we gave up tap 6 feet because na black leg them. They collect bribe from La Republique. The tribe will derail our revolution with them. My beloved brothers and sisters, the time is now. A black leg is an enemy. You need acid vaccine for put up for Yvonne Joker Ibutox. When you walk up the road, contact Colonel Atajon, I go distribute them for you. you vaga shoot am. Me understand me big boy run. So the thing now that I don't talk am. So my brother, my sisters them. When I look the person where he post that this thing, that flyer about Colonel Atta John, say Colonel Atta John, the attack Chris Anus. He named now warriors. Now he named that. Now he named that. Now Black Lake. He did one. When I Ayaba seni. Now Ayaba don't seni. Me he can call attack. Use Colonel Atta John in name. Damage people the water. When I see the Yvonne Joker no, then in that, any man will see for road for Douala, take acid vaccine from Colonel Atta John, put after that big buttocks, choke after poop. The acid ate after that buttocks. Me guess what say it. Christian Guanzi for an Yvonne Joker. Now the next Black Lake them. I no get sympathy for any person where they kill him. When a Black Lake, you kill him, not kill him. Problem no dey. You kill him. Colonel Atta John open champagne drink. That is the matter we did it. That is it. The revolution continues. Stay focused. May the Lord bless you all. Black Legs, our enemies. Ayaba, our enemies. Dr. Ebenezer, please get in touch also with IG. Let us make a solution, make things possible, and we fight properly. Ayaba, we isolate you alone because you are a devil. We isolate you because you are a devil. We don't see, we isolate any bad person. Not devil. Not devil. Not devil. Any bad person, not devil. When I see Yvonne Joker now, that either the cost me for coming. Where the cost me for coming, so problem no day. Now Black Lake, we never put acid inside in Mackenzie. We give a choke acid for the where if on the waka take acid from Colonel Atta John, put up a buttocks, poop. Where put acid for the go start shake for down the far where you don't twist the neck for put up for back. Now we get for do one. Any Black Lake na Black Lake, Eric Tower, who journalist say US. He talk last time say any Black Lake me they kill him. Now true thing. Black Lake they will give a kill him. David Takuma. Now another Black like that. After we finish with Christian Guanzi for an Yvonne Joker, the next people then. Now Asanga, Paddy Asanga, the next Ian David, Takuma. Now the two Black legs in there will give a Vagasha. Black legs they must go for 6 feet. All Black legs must go to 6 feet. So the revolution is at the highest gear, highest speed. So, I talked yesterday saying we'll change from gear 4 to gear 5. Now we don't change them. All man change them. We'll not be in a one-man level remain. All man give a change them. We'll fight now. We'll finish La Republic. We'll crucify them. The revolution is going ahead. No looking backward. No looking backward. A Black Lake is a Black Lake. You kill a Black Lake, you see a Black Lake, you kill him. If you don't kill the Black Lake will turn kill you. So another foolish person they will name now, Stanley Focaccia. Now another Black Lake that. After we finish with Yvonne Joker, young Christian Guanzi for. The next Black Lake, now Stanley Focaccia. Ian David Takuma, Ian Asangaji. Now the people then that will give Vagash them. We don't need to spare any Black Lake. A Black Lake is a Black Lake. A devil is a devil. We Vagasha. Yvonne, you never know what say I don't do them. Find out very well. Colonel Atta John and the Amazonians. We have reason. The revolution is at the highest gear. Any man when see Yvonne Joker for road, take acid from Colonel Atta John, choke after that big buttocks. Choke after day, me die. No problem, no day, now Black Lake. Choke acid vaccine for Yvonne buttocks. Choke him, problem no day. Any Black Lake, you kill him. You contact Colonel Atta John and reward you. Any Black Lake when try to delay revolution, we use him, we kill him. We kill him na Black Lake. And the Black Lake, you contact Colonel Arthur John, I could provide you healthy reward. Healthy reward, I mean something at least above 200,000. That is the matter. You just put as for Yvonne, he shake the file so the news spread. Colonel Arthur John will pay you. Matter no did. Just finish it. Me go down. Me go 6 feet. Since as he talk say he must do election. Since as she say Pobiana papa. Since as she talk say she be this that. Colonel Arthur John is determined. Any man we know Yvonne Joker their house. Oh your house for inside Amazonia. Contact Colonel Arthur John inbox. Give me a directives of the house. Me a sample Yvonne. Me understand. Any man will get the information if you provide me the information as from now henceforth. Before tomorrow evening. Before Saturday, Yvonne Joker their house will turn arches fire. Because now Black Lake. That is the matter. Colonel Arthur John has spoken. Yvonne, you don't hear what I talk no? And then you look face oh, and then you look face. No chase say go take data powder and rub up your face so come try to attract Colonel Arthur John Utam. I no be out for revolution for it look woman. I no be agency what the worker do woman by woman, bed by bed. No, I'm not interested in that. I have a queen in my house. I have a queen in my house. A queen, very beautiful queen in my house. No, not oh mommy them lay you Yvonne Joker. Yvonne Joker, go back to New Bear. Go say sans coalition. I know say nav the way the bolo corner marché central for that football station. Nav the way they ever hang for soirée. Even for aqua, you dey stand by the for some time they will customer know they cross go for Bonaberry. Go stand by for kwasa. Yvonne Joker, your fire is up. Christian Guanti your fire is up. 2 people they will go 6 feet. Yvonne Joker and Christian Guanti we must put up 6 feet. We must burn their houses. If Christian Guanti their house, I already get picture of their house. Because now Black Lake they collect 20,000, they report Amazonia's name. Yvonne they come for Facebook, pretend, big name, they go report them for La Republic. So based on all this, we gave a Vagash Yvonne. Yvonne need to enter 6 feet. Yvonne must go 6 feet. Hey, Yvonne say I be customer. Me I come do it. Come do it for inside do all have to do it for day. Now my secret agents investigate you. All that kwasa where you go say about it for day. You get 5 picking them. 5 different papa them. Hey, Yvonne Joker. You get 5 picking. 5 different papa them. You know the even shame. You know the shame. Oh, they wake up. If you are Tangaji, don't sleep you. You know the shame. Time when they lock a Tangaji but New Bear. Now you go stand for your two bars them. The kiss at Tangaji for the Yvonne Joker. You are warned. Your fire is up. Una house, your life is in danger. Colonel Arthur John has spoken. The time is now. The time is now. The time is now. Yvonne Joker can understand say Colonel Arthur John know the laugh. He know the laugh. Any man we know Yvonne Joker their house, me contact Colonel Arthur John direct me. After I vagash the house, I pay the person 100,000. 100,000 I don't announce and clean and clear. Just direct me Yvonne their house. I pay 100,000. I vagash the house into arches fire. For teach Yvonne say Black Lakes them. We know the way called Black Lakes for revolution. Pay column any man way know Yvonne their house. Any man way know Yvonne Joker their house. When a Black Lake contact Colonel Arthur John, I go pay 100,000 just for directing the house. 100,000 is 150 euros. Like that, 155 euros. Something like that. That's the amount. So if you know the house or Yvonne the house, for inside Amazonia, contact me as fast as possible. Let me give you the money. And I vagash the house. Let's see. Let's see. When me have vagash the house, I teach Yvonne Joker say it's small. Just directing me the house, I don't need any person. Me, it just can't tell me anything. Yvonne Joker, your fire is up. You must enter 6 feet. Any Black Lake, Any person wey dey support la republic, any person wey dey push for election, na Black Lake, we go put am 6 seats. Until Mancho BBC, Senator Penterens, Pa Fongala, Dazita Wilfred, President Ayusko, they are free. If not so, all the Black Lakes them, now an enemy. We burn all them. We put all them to artist fire. May the Lord bless you all, Amazonia. Colonel Arthur John has spoken. Do not give any shishi to Ayaba. The Lord bless you all. I love you all, Amazonians. Yvonne Joka, te atanga jipo. Your sugar daddy, one ya njumba, one ya weti yo. Te yi say Colonel Arthur John is determined to vagash your whole family. You, Yvonne. You, Yvonne. And Yvonne, try to find out, do DNA with all those your 150 customers, them where you get them. For Kwasa tribe, no real papa for your picking name. I don't talk. Colonel Arthur John has spoken. The Lord bless you. Stay focused. Any fake black man online, do not believe is coming from Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of Amazonia Police. Stay blessed. I love you all, Amazonians. Mimia arrange. I go shower, go sleep. Ready for go Mbambe tomorrow. And I'll go marry in Mbambe. Retime Mbambe. Just same like Fred Ford, they go Mbambe. But Yvonne Joka, now so the kind of time where Yvonne Joka, they go in Mbambe. Go open your food them. Go open your food them. Now wait till I did one. Stay focused. I love you.